Hello everyone. I'm traveling to Lucknow to attend a award function organized by Times of India. So I was just thinking to utilize my time and I was thinking to share with you why women get belly fat even when they are not eating too much. There are two types of belly fat. One is subcutaneous, which is just under the skin, and another is visceral, which is around the organs. So this is the visceral fat, which is more dangerous, and it is connected with the disease and the diabetes metabolic syndrome. And mostly the women develop belly fat around 40 or 50. Visceral fat increases the chances of having diabetes, fatty liver and metabolic syndrome. So what are the causes of belly fat? Belly fat होता क्यों है? सबसे important है insulin resistance and very high carbohydrate intake in the diet. अगर आप ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट ले रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स द पुअर स्लीप, हाई स्ट्रेस एंड सेडेंटरी वर्क का अगर लगातार डेस्क पे बैठने का काम है, एंड सबसे महत्वपूर्ण हार्मोनल चेंजेस जो विमेन में मेनोपॉज के समय, दीज ऑल द कॉजेज कैन इंक्रीज द बेली फैट. सो हाउ टू मैनेज योर बेली फैट? द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इज डाइट. डाइट में यू हैव टू इंक्रीज प्रोटीन इंटेक एंड you have to decrease refined carbohydrate, especially bakery items, white sugar, everything has to be avoided and you have to increase your protein intake. दूसरा महत्वपूर्ण जो तरीका है, बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है बेली फैट को कंट्रोल करने का, that is overnight fasting at least for 12 to 14 hours. It is not very difficult. You can have dinner at 7 and have breakfast at 9 am. This is a very effective method. Must try it. Third important factor is of course the exercise. Exercise में what you have to do? Two things. First, you have to walk, brisk walking for 30 to 40 minutes every day, and strength training for 20 minutes at least 3 times a week. Because as you age, your lean muscle mass decreases, but your belly fat increases. So exercise is third most important factor to control belly fat. Fourth very important factor is having a good sleep. At least 7 hours sleep is important. When you don't sleep enough, your stress level increases, cortisol level increases, which increases the belly fat. So have a good sleep and decrease belly fat. Are there any supplements also that can help in reducing your belly fat? There are some which can definitely help. So what is the key in managing the belly fat? Most important is 12 to 14 hours of fasting, increase your protein intake, decrease your carbohydrate intake, and strength training 20 minutes 3 times a week, and have a good sleep and no stress and be free of belly fat.